Grade 7, good morning. How are you? Hope you are fine. This is Kamal from Al-Hussam International School. Let's start our math session for today. Okay, guys, yesterday or for the previous lessons, we have been talking about the volume and surface area of certain shapes. And today we are going to extend the last session about this topic, which is the volume and surface area. So let's see what's our topic for today, guys. Our topic today is to find the volume and surface area of composite figures. Find volume and surface area of composite figures. This is our topic today, and let's see what we are going to do with that topic or with composite figures. First of all, as we used to do, I want to check the previous lesson. Find the surface area of each pyramid round to the nearest 10. Okay, I want to find the first shape. Find the surface area of the first shape. Who will solve with me? Ahmed Abdul Halim.
Yes, the surface area equal lateral area plus base.
Just a second. First of all, guys, as we used to do, we have to write the rule, right? We have to write the rule. So, what is the rule of the surface area? What is the shape, ya Ahmed? What is this shape?
Pyramid.
Pyramid, yes. So I will apply the formula of the surface area of the pyramid, which is SA, surface area, equal lateral
LA plus B.
And what is the meaning of B?
Base, and LA is lateral area.
B is the area of the base. B is the area of the base. Okay, and then so I have to find the lateral area because I have another rule for the lateral area, right?
Yes.
So what is the rule of the lateral area?
Half PL.
Yes, half PL. And what is the meaning of P? It's the perimeter of the. It's the perimeter of
the base.
Okay, what is the base here in that shape, ya Ahmed?
A square.
Yes, it's a square. It's the easiest shape ever, right? So, yes. What is the perimeter of that square, ya Ahmed?
S by 4.
Yes, side by 4. So your eyes on the base. Your eyes on the base of that pyramid, and the base here is a square. So how can we find the perimeter of the square? It will be side by 4. Side by 4. So it's going to be 2 times 4, right?
Oh, yes.
Equal 8. 8 centimeters. This is the perimeter, right? And what is the L? It refers to
height.
Yes, the height of the pyramid itself, the slant height, which is 7.
7.
So LA, first find LA. To not get confused, guys, follow the steps one by one, okay? So first I have to find the lateral area. So lateral area equal what? Half.
8.
No,
half.
8. Look.
8.
Yes. So half times P, which is 8, times L, which is 7.
Which is the height.
7, yeah, the slant height. So lateral area equal? Half times 8 times 7.
28. 28.
Yes, 28 square centimeters.
Centimeter.
Yes, and then let's get back to surface area, right?
Yeah.
But first, yeah, Ahmed, I want to find B, okay? Let everything ready, okay? B, the area of the base. What is the area of the base? What is the area of the square actually?
8.
The area.
4.
You have found the perimeter, which is side by 4. What about B? How can we find?
Side by side?
Yes, side by side, which is 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 square centimeter. This is B. Then the last step, the surface area. Now we have all the data, okay? I have calculated all the data, the area of the base and the lateral area, okay? And the lateral area, it has its own rule, okay? So at the end, the last step, I have to find the surface area. SA equal what?
28 plus 4.
28 plus 4, perfect. This is the lateral area, which is 28, plus B, which is the area of the base, which is 4. So 28 plus 4 equal?
32.
What?
32.
32. 32. 32 what? Square centimeter, right? Square centimeter. Thank you so much, Ahmed. Thank you so much. Okay, let's move to the second question. Dudu. Khalid الشامي. What's wrong with the mic, Khalid? Khalid. I'm waiting for you. Khalid. Please, I want you to be with me. And if you have a problem with the mic, please just use chatting, please. If you have a problem with the mic, use chatting. But please try to find the problem with your mic. Khalid الشاملي. Are you here? Okay, what's wrong with... Okay, no, I'm not muting you, Khalid. I've just unmuted you. Yes,
Yes.
Khalid. Yes, now it's fine.
Yes.
Okay, Dudu, yes. Question number 2. Khalid, look, I will solve with you step by step. Here, ya Khalid, what is the base of this pyramid? What is the base of this pyramid? The base.
25.
The base, no, I mean the shape. The shape.
Pyramid.
Yes, and the base of that pyramid is what? What is the shape of the base?
Triangle.
Yes, it's a triangle. So here we are dealing with the base of triangle, right, Dudu? So I'm going to use rules of triangle. So step by step, write the rule. Tell me, what is the rule of the surface area at the beginning? Surface area equal
LA plus B.
LA plus B. And we are going to find LA and B and then add them together, right? Step by step. LA equal what? LA equal?
LA equal 1/2.
Yes, half PL, right?
Yes.
Half PL. And what is the meaning of P?
P, the
perimeter.
Yes.
P is the perimeter. Okay, great. Can you calculate for me the perimeter of that triangle? What is the meaning of perimeter, ya Khalid? It means we will add the sides together, right? Perimeter means we are going to add the sides together. So look at the triangle in the base and add the sides, the 3 sides to get the perimeter. What are the 3 sides of that triangle in the base?
5, 3, and 4.
Perfect. 5 plus 3 plus 4 equal?
12.
Yes, it's 12 millimeter. Okay. Okay, we are done from P. What about L? L is what? The slant height of the pyramid is?
25.
Yes, perfect. So now I can find the lateral area, right? Right?
Yes.
So lateral area equal half multiply.
Multiply 5.
12. P.
12.
Okay, concentrate. Multiply L, which
12.
is?
1.
L, the height.
and 5.
Khalid, the slant height of the pyramid itself. 25.
25.
Okay, I have just said it, okay? So equal
Okay.
half times 12 times 25. Now still we are in the step of lateral area, Dudu, right?
Yes.
Equal?
Half time. I'm calculating this.
Okay, take your time.
One hundred. 150.
Yes, 150. Thank you, Ahmed Abdul Halim. 150 square, right? Square millimeter, right?
Yes.
Okay, now we are done from the lateral area. What about B? B, it refers to what?
The 25. Oh
No, B, capital B.
The base.
Yes, the area of the base, the area of the base. And as long as we have a triangle, so we are going to use the area of the triangle, right?
Yes.
So B equal the area of the triangle equal half base by height. Half base by
Base
height.
by-
This is the area of what? Of the triangle, ya Dudu, right? Half.
Yes. Base by height.
Yes, half base by height. So equal half times what is the base and height of that triangle, ya Dudu? What do you think?
The height is 25.
No,
And the-
no. 25, ya Dudu, this is the height of the pyramid itself. But now I'm dealing with the base only, with the triangle in the base. Just the triangle in the base, not the height itself of the pyramid. No, I'm dealing with the triangle, okay? So,
It's 5 and 5 is the base and 4 is the height.
no. The height should be perpendicular on the base. It should form a right angle on the base. So I want two lengths to be perpendicular on each other's. It should form a right angle. 3 and 4. 3 and 4. 3, yes, 3 is the base and 4 is the height, yes, because it formed right angle on 3 millimeter on that length. So 4 millimeter is perpendicular on that base, which is 3 millimeter, okay? So it's going to be half times 3 times 4, right?
Yes.
Equal what? 6. It's going to be 6 millimeter, okay? Square millimeter.
So
Square millimeter, okay? So surface area, now we are done. Now we have all the data we need. We have the lateral area, we have the area of the base, which is B. So now I can easily find the surface area. Tell me.
surface area equal 6 plus
6. Okay, 6. Okay, you start with B. Okay, 6 plus.
6 plus.
Where is the lateral area? We found the lateral area, Khalid.
150.
Yes, 6 plus 150 equal 6 plus 150.
156.
Eh?
156.
Yes, 156. Yes, 156. Just a second. Okay, 156. Yes, square millimeter, right?
Yes.
Thank you so much, Edudu. Okay, guys, now we are done from the surface area of the pyramid. So we are not going to solve the rest of the questions because we need to start our new lesson. So let's see what are our objectives for today. Our objectives for today is to find the volume of a composite figure and to find the surface area of a composite figures. Okay, I want to remember, what does composite figure mean? What does composite figure mean? Look, guys, this is the composite figure. It means that I have two figures stuck with each others. As we took before, we used to calculate the area of the composite figure, only area, that sample one area of composite figure. We had the triangle with the square, we had the trapezoid with the rectangle, and so on. In that case, we used to calculate the area of that composite figures. Regarding to this lesson, we are going to deal with 3D shapes, okay? We are going to deal with volume and surface area, not that sample area, no. We are going to find the volume and the surface area of composite figures, But in this case, or in our lesson today, the composite figures will be prisms, okay? Will be prisms or pyramids, okay? So now find the volume of composite figures. The first step, as we used to do, is to split the figures, separate them into two figures, and find each volume of each figure and then add them together. And this is what we used to do in the area, or the area of composite figure. We used to separate the shapes and find the area of each one individually, and then add them together at the end. The same we are going to do here. We have two figures, but they are prisms, okay? As you see here, we have here prisms, okay? We are going to split them into two figures and then find each volume separately. Okay, guys, I want someone to tell me, what is the volume of the prism? What is the rule of the volume of the prism? What is the rule of the volume of the prism? Rectangular or square prism? What is the volume of the prism? What is the rule of the volume of the prism? This is the first the first rule we took before. The volume of the prism. Okay, Ahmed Abdel Halim.
The rectangular prism is length times width times height.
Yes,
And
length times width times height. And the square,
the triangular prism is half times base times height.
Yes,
Or base
yes, the area of the base times height. Yani we are going to find the area of the base, which is a triangle, half by base by height, and then multiplied by the height of the triangular prism itself, right?
Yes.
Okay, so in this question, guys, we have two prisms. Let's see how we are going to split them. Concentrate with me, please. So first, I'm going to find the volume of each prism. As I told you, I have to find the volume of each prism. Okay, guys? So we are going to split them. Look, this is the first one. This is the first one. It's like we cut the shapes. It's like we cut the shapes. Look, I will show you. Just a second. Look, guys, it's like we cut the shape here. Okay, so I have, this is the first one. So this is the first one, and the dimensions of that rectangular prism, as you see, it's a rectangular prism because the base is rectangle. The base here is rectangle. Look, I have length, width, and height. I have length, width, and height, so I can find the volume of that prism. Okay, guys, just a second. I will solve this question with you. Okay, I will explain this question, and then you are going to solve with me. So how to find the volume of that shape, or for that rectangular prism? By writing the rule: volume equal length by width by height. Length is 8, width is 6, and height is 16 as well. So the volume of that rectangular prism is 768. Okay, this is regarding to the first shape. What about the second shape? Look, this is the second one. 6 and A is 8 and 6 and 8. How can I know that? How can I know that? How can I deduce that dimensions? Who can help me? Here I have. I will not use 16 as it is, right? What do you think? This is the shape. I want to find that part, as you see, the length, and here I have the width and the height, but the only missing part here is the length. The only missing part here is the length. Why it's 8 inches? Why it's 8 inches? I can't write 16 as it is, but why this length is 8? Why this length is 8? He wrote the length here as 8. Why? What do you think? What do you think? Rita. Rita, good morning.
It's 8?
Yes, tell me, Rita. Yes, tell me.
Because the other side is 8?
No. No. I can't use the other side. It's useless for me, Rita. Okay, Dom Dom. Thank you, Rita. Dom Dom.
Because the shape of because the base of the other shape is 8.
No, Rita told me so, but it's wrong. Dom Dom, look at the 16 inches length here, the side of 16 inches. Can you see this edge?
Yes.
It's 16, right? And
Yes.
here, that edge is part of it is 6, right? This part is 6. Okay? So the part that I need, it's going to be 16 minus 8. It will be 8, right? Look, guys, grade 7, I have to look at the edges or the lengths which is in front of each others, right? So if I have here 16, so the whole length in the front of that length will be 16 as well. Will be 16 as well, but I don't need the whole length. I need only part of it. I need only a part. Okay, how can I find out the part? Look at the other side. Look at the other side. This is 8. So I took a part from the 16, which is 8 inches. So what I have left, 16 minus 8, it's going to be 8, right? Dom Dom, can you hear me?
Yes.
Do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. So I guess Ahmed Abdul Halim, do you have a question?
No.
Okay, do you understand, Ahmed?
Yes, because we cut it, so we took the half,
Yes,
the half of
yes.
16.
Yes, the whole length here, guys, is 16, and part of 16 is 8. So what is the other part that I need is 8. Thank you, Ahmed. So here, guys, after cutting that shape, I have here 6 inches as a width and 8 inches as a height and 8 inches, another 8 inches as a length. So we are going to calculate the volume as length times width times height. 8 times 6 times 8, it's 384. What shall I do? What shall I do next? I have to add them because I want to find the volume of the whole shape. So after splitting the shapes and find the volume of each one individually, I have to add them together as the last step. So the volume is 768 plus 384. This is how we can find the volume of the whole shape, which is 1152 cubic inches. Okay, guys, so let's see the second question. Khalid, do you have
Miss,
tell me, Khalid.
from where did you got 768 and 384?
Habibi, the volume, length times width times height for each one. Khalid, look at the first shape. It's length times width times height, and the volume at the end is what? 768, as you see. Look,
Okay.
8 times 6 times 16 for the first shape equals 768. And for the second shape, the answer is 384. I will add them together at the end. That's it. Okay, Dudu? This is the total of the volumes of the two shapes, Khalid, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much. So let's move to the second one. Here. Here, who will solve with me? Just a second. Okay. Now I have this shape. Who will solve with me? Who will solve with me? Khalid, you want to solve it, Khalid?
Okay, I will try.
Okay, you want to solve?
Yes.
Okay, now ya Khalid, look, I will take the pen and cut the shapes, right? I will split the shapes, but from where I should split? From here, right?
From the middle.
Yes, here. Now, as you see, it's clearly that you have two rectangular prisms, right?
Yes.
It's clearly that you have two rectangular prisms. So let's start, ya Dudu.
The left one.
Just a second. Just a second, wait. I will draw that shape one more time. Yes. Tell me, Dudu, the first one.
Yes, the first one, the height will be 10 and 14, and the width is 16.
The first one in the left side, yes, 16. The volume, what is the rule of the volume first? Length times width times height, right? Length times width times height. Okay. So it's equal, what is the length?
The length is 10.
Okay, the length is 10.
And the width is 16.
The width is 16. Do you think that the width is longer than the length? Do you think so?
No.
No. So what do you think?
The height is 16.
What?
The length is 16 and the height is 14.
Okay,
and
be with me, Khalid. Be with me. I want you to negotiate with Ahmed Abdel Halim. Ahmed Abdel Halim, what do you think?
About the 16?
What do you think about the length and the width and the height of that shape?
The height, it will be 14 as it is.
Okay.
What
do you think, 16... Khalid? Wait, Khalid, do you think that the height is 14?
Yes, and the 16 is the length.
What do you think?
The 16 because we cut another shape, so it will be the half of it, so it will be 8.
Look, guys, 16. This is the whole length, ya Dudu. 16
yes.
is the whole length. I don't need the whole length. I need only a part of it, right?
Oh yes.
And the part of it is what is 10.
10.
10. Look at the another length on the other side.
Yeah, 10.
Right, ya Ahmed?
Yeah.
It's 10, not the half of 16. It's 10. Look at the length in front of 16. 16, ya Khalid, it's regarding to the whole length. I don't need that whole length. I need only the part for the shape I cut. Okay, ya Dudu? Okay, ya Ahmed?
Okay.
So it's 10. And then?
So it will be 10 times 14
times what? 10. Times what بقى?
10 times 14 times 10.
10 times 14 times?
10.
What do you think, ya Ahmed?
Oh, 5.
10 times
14. What do you think?
Then yes.
What do you think? Now I have to find 3 lengths, right? You told me that the length will be this 10 is the width, guys. I want to find the length now. Now you have the width and you have the height. I want to find the length.
Yeah,
find the length.
10.
10.
10 times 14 times 10.
And I want the third length. You have only 2? 10 is the
I
width.
have 3.
What about the length?
5 مثلا.
No, guys, look at the other shape. What do you think?
6.
No. The other shape. Look at the small one. It's what?
7.
No, it's 12.
How?
Look at the 12 inches here, ya Khalid and Ahmed. So I have the length of 12 times the width is 10 times what times the height is 14, right? They have the same length, both of them. The small one and the biggest one, they are 12 inches, right? So I have 12 times 10 times 14 equal, hurry up.
Wait.
Hurry up, guys.
1680.
1680. 1680.
600.
What? Huh?
Mi-
Cubic inches, right? Cubic
Yes.
inches. And then Yadudu, the second volume, the second shape, the small one.
The
V
length.
equal length times width times height, right? Huh? What about the length? It also will be
The length will be 12.
12. Perfect. The length will be 12. And then
7.
multiply. The height is 7. The height is
Yes.
7. What about, okay, what about the width? The small length.
Maybe
Concentrate.
6.
Perfect. Yes, because the whole length is 16, and already I took 10. So what I have left is 6. So 12 times 6 times 7, right?
Yes.
Tell me, it's going to be
504.
504. So add them together. The two volumes, 1680 and 504, right, Yadudu?
Yes.
Tell me the answer.
2184.
Yes, 2184, as you see here, inches, cubic inches, or inches power 3. Okay, guys. So at the end grade 7, you have to split the shapes, and if you have a missing dimension, use the dimension from the other side. Okay, because each two edges will be equal. So if you have a missing side, or you have a missing edge, or you have a missing length, you have to use another data to find the missing one. Okay, don't take the lengths or the data as it is. You have to split the shapes, and imagine that I split the lengths as well. Okay, so guys, this is all for today. Okay, we will take this lesson step by step. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will complete the volume of the composite figures, and also we are going to find the surface area of composite figures. So guys, please try to start solving in IXL about this topic, and inshallah we will extend that lesson tomorrow. Stay safe, stay home, and see you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye bye.
Nope. Yep. 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 Nope.